This is the WINBOT W3 OMNI robot window cleaner. And I wanted to know one thing. Can this actually replace my window cleaner? After a few days of playing with it, I've got an answer. Check this out. I gotta show you a couple cool things here. So this is the cord that goes to the cleaner. If you hit this button right here, it does that, which is pretty awesome. When the handle is up, you can easily tilt that. Put this down, it locks it. You can slide it though. This pops open. Those brushes will clean this thing right here. You flip this around, pop this out, and put it right there. It is a all-inclusive unit. Let's clean some windows. The setup is very similar to a robot vacuum. Base station and robot. It's also got a clean and dirty tank and a place on the robot to add a cleaning solution. Before you just run over to your window and pop this thing on, you first have to get the pad wet. Ready to clean and put it on your window. It looks like I just hold this here and it does the rest. Oh. That's it. That's amazing. And that's it. It's got 2 3 nozzle jets. Sprayer here and here. You got to spray out the left and right side. And it only comes out about 7 inches. When it sprays, it doesn't hit the other window. The windows in my house weren't that dirty, so I just did a fast clean, which cleaned them in about 3 minutes. Does leave some smears. So take a rag with you to wipe it up, or just wait about a minute. I found if I let it sit for about a minute before I take it off, once it's done, that it dries the water. Look at that. Can't tell, but there is no water residue. After each cleaning, the robot will tell you to wipe around its edges, and it tells you to clean the pad. To do that, remove the pad, open the washer door, add the pad, and then hit play.
Washing completed.
After I cleaned the door, the next day we made some food and we had an accident where we had to rush some burning hot butter outside. So I cleaned it again. And as I did, I noticed that it wasn't spraying. And I was legit like, what the freak? I wanted to add some solutions, so in the app, I hit the pause button. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just hold the power button down for about 5 seconds. And that is bone dry in there. I then added some more solution and put it back up on the window. And that is when I noticed a clear little window right there. So I guess that's how you tell if it's empty or not. A couple minutes later, it was done. Those butter spills are gone. It's time for the outside. Yesterday we got some mud rain. Look at all that crap. That is so fast. I love that. You got a bunch of options on how you want to clean your outside windows depending on how dirty they are. Thorough mode is what I usually do, but there's also a deep clean and a heavy duty clean. The only difference between thorough and deep clean is the distance they take as they work their way down the window. Heavy duty mode is different. You want to use heavy duty mode for super dirty windows and if you have like any stains and bird poop and things like that on your window. And that's the mode that I used. You saw the before, this is the after. The middle part of the window looked good, so I checked in the edges. This edge did good. Can't see any smears up through here. Still some dirt right in the very corner. And then actually along this side, you got some smears. And then a little patch down here. But really, 95% of this window is as clean as I could do. Since the edges are dirty still, I'm gonna run an edge test only.
I got a little too excited and actually went down too far and came up on my lip. And therefore the air suction broke.
The suction broke because the sill was too shallow. The robot came up to it, it popped it off. And if that ever happens, ECOVACS just tells you to switch over to manual mode. Steer it right up the edge. However, it does work with all my inside windows that have a clean, crisp edge. That's what you want. Okay, so now that I got some dirt on the mopping pad, that's all the dirt from just these 2 doors. I decided to wash it again. I'm gonna do heavy duty wash.
Starting heavy duty wash.
The normal one is 1 minute, heavy duty is 1.5 minutes.
it looks. That is much, much better. I can't see any dirt on there. Those brown edges are gone.
Now that it's all clean, it was time to clean off some bird poop. These guys do recommend scraping off the bigger pieces on your window before you send the robot to finish the job. It passed by 3 times, but it just wasn't enough to get the job done.
So this is the worst one, and it smeared it this way. There's another one right here, and that's completely gone.
As the robot worked its way down, I noticed that there was another bird poopy, and since it was down at the very bottom of the window, it made multiple passes because it was trying to turn around to head back up. Once it left, I looked down, and bird poopy got wiped away.
That's the stain from my fingers, but that stain is gone.
I wanted to run one more cycle to see if it would get the job done. And you don't have to take the robot off the window to do that. Open up the app, hit play.
There's just a little smudge right there in the corner.
About an hour later, the sun was higher in the sky and it was shining right down on that window, and I noticed it was not as clean as I initially thought. So I washed it one more time.
It's not perfect, but it's pretty dang close.
I was curious how long this cord actually is. So I went and grabbed my ladder, set it up, climbed up to my 2nd story windows, plopped it on there, and prayed to Almighty God.
It's a beautiful thing. Yes.
I was pretty stoked with this part, even though I knew it was gonna do that, but just seeing it up there cleaning and me being down on the ground, safe, I was happy. Mikey no like heights. And I was also happy because it reached the top of my window.
Is it gonna make it to the top? Yes, it is. It is marked. There's a red piece. It's got about another foot before it stops.
Okay, now I wanna show you all of the modes.
Fast, clean, start.
This is the mode that ECOVACS recommends if your windows aren't that dirty, and is the mode that I used inside my house. And if you're like me and you forget to take this off the window, if it's plugged in, it'll just stay there indefinitely, well, until there's a catastrophic power outage. And if you have a big house, you can just leave this plugged in and clean all of your windows. Don't have to recharge the battery. But if you didn't plug it in and you left this on a 2-story window, it will go into low power mode. And even on low power mode, you still have 30 minutes of suction before it releases and plummets to its death. This is the thorough mode, and it follows the same path as the fast clean, but the area between each pass is smaller. And then you got deep clean mode, which follows the same path, but again, takes smaller increments.
You got remote control.
Before I show you the next few modes, I went out in the evening time and captured some more video of the windows as the sun was almost about setting.
And now that the sun is low, you can really see how nasty this window is. All these windows were as bad as that. This is the one that had the bird poop on it, which just looks beautiful. I washed that one once. This one about 6 times because I was doing a bunch of testing on this middle one. And then I washed this one 4 times. So if you got caked on mud dirt like I had, you're gonna wanna run it about 3 or 4 times.
Okay, so if your window is larger than 9.5 feet or 3 meters, in the app you can create zones. Zone 1, Zone 2. It'll clean Zone 1, then go over to Zone 2. You can manually drive the robot to whatever spot or dirty area on your window, hit the spot clean, and it will just scrub that little area for about 10 seconds. As much as I like what this can do, there are just a few things that I didn't like. This compartment back here, I wish was bigger. Jamming all that stuff in there is a little bit tight. The second thing is the sprayer. It overshoots the path of the robot by about 2 or 3 inches.
It does shoot it and it misses it.
They gotta dial that in. And the third thing is when it was cleaning my kitchen window, it got stuck. I installed those blinds and I apparently installed that one a little too close to the window. I didn't have that problem with the rest of the windows. It got up behind the blind just fine. Now I did like the very long battery life. Fully charged, you got
Estimated runtime, 3 hours and 30 minutes.
after I cleaned about half the windows in my house, it only dropped.
Just over halfway.
It does tell you when to add more clean water.
Clean water tank is low on water. Please refill.
And check out the water in the dirty tank.
Here's the dirty water. Look how nasty that is. Brown. Oh, yeah.
I had one more thing I had to try.
A little wet. See what happens.
Let's see if this extra water makes it fall off. After a few passes, I was convinced that it was going to stay on. Now, ECOVACS doesn't recommend that you spray your windows with water. That's just something that I had to know for myself, and now you guys do, so you're welcome. All that's left to do now is just get on the phone and call my cleaner.
That'll be $500.
Fire his butt. Oh, if you want to check this out, I got the link below, and there's coupon codes and all that stuff in there too. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll just answer you there. See you there. Okay. I'm gonna go clean some more windows. See ya.